Now that I have pointed out the common icons found in the Zoom toolbar, I'd like to direct your attention to the standard toolbar, which is this one all the way at the top. Let me pull that out just so you can see the name, Standard. And I want to talk specifically about the next four icons that are also related to the zoom features found in Autocad. Let me dock that back up here. And let's begin by looking at the first icon, the one that is titled Zoom Previous. What this icon will do is zoom to the previous view that you had on your drawing screen. For example, I'll go back and zoom in to my drawing file. And now I'm going to come up here to this icon and select Zoom Previous. When I click on it, AutoCAD takes me back to that previous view. If I click on it again, it goes back to the previous view once again. It's a nice feature to have, and it comes in handy when you're moving around your drawing files quite a bit. Let's do a zoom extents. The next icon, the one to the left of it, indicates that it's zoom window, but if you look closely at this icon, it has a small triangle in the lower right hand corner. This means it's a flyout icon. If I click it and hold, it reveals all of the icons found in the Zoom toolbar, as you can see. The ones we talked about: zoom extents, zoom out, zoom in, and obviously zoom window. What I can do is select zoom out, for example, and that one will take me out. As you can see, it takes the last command and it places that icon on top of all the others, almost like a deck of cards where you pull a card out and you place it on top. It remains there until you make any more changes. For example, if I were to now select zoom in, that icon gets placed at the top. Some individuals prefer to use the flyouts as they know where the icons are found. Other individuals like to see all of the icons at once and select them. You have that option available to you. Whichever one fits your needs or your style is the one that will work best for you. The next two icons are related to each other. This one is called Zoom Real Time. The one next to that is called Pan Real Time, and it means exactly what it says. If I select this icon by clicking on it, you'll notice that my cursor changes to a magnifying glass with a plus sign and a minus sign. I'm going to place my cursor in the middle of the screen, and I'm going to click it and hold it. Clicking and holding, and then I'm going to drag my cursor down. As I drag it down, you can see that I am taking my view and I'm pulling myself further away. I am zooming out from my drawing. I'm going to release the mouse button now, and now I'm going to take it again, this time all the way to the top, clicking and holding down and dragging down. Continue to zoom out in real time. I'm going to click it and hold and drag up, and by dragging up, as you can see, I can zoom into my drawing file. So it's a very handy feature, and it has become a little bit more popular than the zoom out and the zoom in icons because it's very simple to click and drag down or up. This doesn't work if you click and drag sideways, left and right. It has to be an up and down motion. The other icon next to it is the Pan Real Time. What I'm going to do right now, let's select Exit, and now I'm going to select Pan Real Time. Again, my cursor changes from the magnifying glass to a hand. What I can do now is click and hold my mouse button down and drag it in any direction. I want you to understand that I am not moving the objects in any way. I have not selected the move icon, rather I am changing my view, almost like moving my head from looking at it from one side to another. To terminate this command, as you can see at the command line, it indicates to press the escape key or enter to exit, or to right click and display the shortcut menu. If I right click, as you can see, I can exit, but if we look further down, I am in the pan mode. I can switch to the zoom mode, just like that, or I can do a zoom window or zoom extents. I'm going to select zoom extents. It takes me back to the same real-time icon, whether it's the pan or the zoom, and now I'm going to exit.